Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mcbaj, a portrait and fashion photographer, and you lot know this already. I think I should stop saying this because I'm Tim. Welcome to my channel. So today, as you can see, this is just me just being in my zone because I remember telling you guys I'll start vlogging more often. Okay, that's my girlfriend sending me a message. Today I just want to talk about, it's not every time you actually are meant to get the perfect picture or you're meant to actually get the perfect stuff. You should, everybody is actually meant to drive towards perfection, but the idea is you being a creative doesn't mean every single time you're trying to do something that you just have to get that perfect stuff and you just have to get it. It is not, if you have this mindset, it will actually affect you in the long run, because I can speak for myself personally. It's not every time I end up doing maybe like a shoot, a photo shoot, or like something in general that I actually get what I'm actually driving at. But at the same time, I'm a victim to this. It affects me. Let me switch my location because I think the sun is just going up and down right now. Oof, yeah, shooting from the short side right now looks way nicer compared to the previous place it was. So ignore that, scrap that. So guys, it's not every time you're going to get the perfect shot or you're going to get whatsoever perfect thing you're looking for. So at the same time, don't let this get in your head, or don't let this affect you negatively in a way that you feel like, oh, okay, so I did this stuff, this is not what I want. Now you're feeling down, you're like, nah, I'm not going to post this stuff up, so I don't want people to just see this stuff because it is not what I'm looking, it's not what I was driving at. It affects us as creative because we feel we've seen other people's work and we've seen other creative actually pull off quite a whole lot of like really nice stuff in which we've been driving at. We've been like, yo, I want to get something like this, I just want to do something like this. So this affects us and we be like, okay, you've ended up doing a shoot and it didn't actually go as planned, and you're like, nah, I'm not posting this stuff up because it is not like what I'm looking for. I would actually advise you to actually like post it up, like post that particular, come on, this is the effect of using natural light. So I would actually still say you actually bring this work out, show the world that this is what you've done, this is what you can do. You would actually work better the next time, like you would do something way better the next time you'll be doing that particular shoot. So it is all about, we are not meant to just be in this old cloud or in this space of like, or more, it needs to be perfect. I'm a victim to this too, as I was saying earlier. Like I sometimes will look at some of my stuff and be like, nah, this is not up to my standard and everything. But you can't always get that amazing picture every time. You can't, even though you are like the best person in the whole world, that you understand all the rudiments to like, oh yeah, photography, lighting and all of those shibas and everything. It's just, you can't just get it right every time. So once the time you get it right, celebrate, enjoy it. The time you don't get it right, enjoy it. That's the fun of being a creative. So guys, one thing you need to understand is everyone has an opinion. Well, they say opinions are like everyone's got one, you get me? So everyone has an opinion. So the whole social media and the whole YouTube thingy and everyone going about, this is how you're meant to do it, this is the right way to do stuff, this is how the images are meant to look, this is how, really, I think you should just dump all of those stuff as like, dump them all in one side. Do what makes you happy, do what you think looks nice and resonate with your heart and your style. That is the most important thing, because really everybody just wants to give their 2 cents on how they think an image should look like, or how they think you should do stuff as a creative, or how they think you should make a video look like. You can make the crappiest video, but if your content resonates with some certain group of people, they're going to love it, they're going to like it. So that's literally how it works. And same content that people actually like and love so much, some people will actually hate the content and actually like talk down of that particular stuff. So really it is all about you doing you, Do you be yourself? If you think an image is not too like, okay, this is how maybe your mentors are actually doing it and it doesn't look like theirs, post it up. Show the world what you've got. Really, the world hasn't seen that particular picture you're planning to post up. They've not seen that video you're trying to post. They've not seen that stuff. So I haven't seen it. So let's just keep the whole professionalism in one part. Yeah, it is not a bad shout to know what you're doing as being professional or something, but at the same time, it's all heart. Let's create. So let me just step outside real quick. Okay, how do all these YouTubers do it? Man, I need to really get the hang of these guys. So yeah, I'm outside. I decided to step outside right now, just like have a different view to what I was saying. So guys, really it's just all about, you need to just do what you can, put it out there, because you don't know, somebody will actually see that stuff and be like, yo, I love what you've done, I love this stuff, you get me? So it is not about putting your best work out there. Like, yeah, that works for some people, like literally put your best work out there, but you can't always shoot that really good shot every time. That's what I've been doing of late. Even if I know this image isn't like up to par with what I want, I still post it up, so it doesn't hurt. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers.